This right here
is our house.
Is my house. All the peoples be up in my house. See, that was a parody. That was a parody, yeah. That was funny too. It was a funny parody.
It's on your nose.
That was a It's a zoom in on my nose. This is my skateboard, nigga. This is my skateboard. This right here is my skateboard. It says OP on it. Oh, these niggas ain't even supposed to be in his trail park. These niggas ain't even supposed to be up in this cheese. 12, nigga, 12. Just drive by. Look at this house. This is a ghetto house. It's ghetto tripping. Oh, look at this swing set. It's all broken. Look how broken it is. Oh, and this one's up really high. Alicia, move. Move. This one's up really high. It's like 4 feet above the ground. Oh, and this one's really low, and it's also missing one. See? See, and this one's all wrapped up. And look at these ghetto monkey bars. And these balance bars are all crooked and stuff. Yeah. Be tripping. Be tripping, fool. Don't be tripping, Alicia. Don't be on the trip and swing. Oh, look at her knee. It's all tripped up. Yeah, she'd be tripping. Look at her. Look at it. She was just running along and then boom, face plant.
Yep, that's me, graceful.
She was just like, run, and then bam. And I was like, fail, like your dad's condom. Oh, complete and total panic. This is her face. It's so ugly.
What the heck?
Just kidding! No, I'm not kidding. No. Alicia, you zoomed in on my face.
Yeah.
Not kidding, man. Just not kidding.